Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you my day one of the Lauren Simpson Shred and Shape Challenge. I'm already gonna apologize because I sound awful. I'm getting a cold or whatever, I'm not sure. My boyfriend was blowing his nose like all last week, and I was hoping that I wasn't gonna get it, but I'm getting it, and so just bear with me. I sound just nasally and gross. So this is actually day 4 that I'm recording. You will see day 1 later after this. I just kind of wanted to introduce myself a little bit for those who don't know me and just kind of give you a little bit of a backstory. And also I wanted to look nice for this, like I wanted to do makeup and everything, so I can close out this video, but that's not the case. So yeah, I just want to give a little bit of story about me. My name's Madyson, if you guys aren't aware or don't know. I've done 2 of Lauren's challenges in the past. I actually did this one this time last year, and then the first one I did was the booty challenge. And the booty challenge I was a little bit more stricter on. Not gonna lie, last year I kind of fell off the wagon. The booty challenge, I lost about 10-15 pounds, and I wasn't even following the food 100%, and I think I probably quit week 6. And my biggest goal for this challenge is just to be more consistent. So my main goal is consistency. If that allows me to lose weight, awesome. I actually found Lauren in 2017. I think she was just starting to come out with programs, but I actually followed her because in 2016 I cut off all my hair, and as you can see my hair is pretty platinum. I mean, it needs toning, but it was like this for years. Cut it all off to my chin, dyed it brown, and I was regretting it. And so I was making a Pinterest kind of vision board, and I was looking for some fitness girls I could put in my background, and I found Lauren, and I was like, oh my gosh, she has my hair that I miss, and I was just I mostly found her. I found her through looking for hair and stuff, and then fitness, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is perfect. And then I didn't even know she had an Instagram. For the longest time I had her as my screensaver, and people were like, is that your girlfriend? But I eventually had to change that because I was kind of tired of getting those questions. So I found her on Instagram, and she might have had programs before that, but she just started to post the booty challenge and stuff, and I was I think I was one of the first ones to do the booty challenge. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but I was okay, cool, this I found her, and she's an actual fitness trainer, and awesome. So yeah, that's my little story of how I found her. I love her programs. Last year I think I got to week 5 or 6 and I gave up. It's not even so much giving up, I just life got in the way, and I was just oh, I can't do it this day, and I can't do it this day, and I just I don't want to make excuses. I want to be consistent, and I really want to lose weight. I have always been pretty active my whole life. Played a lot of sports in high school, ran track. I started running again last year. I need new shoes because shoes are I have really messed up feet, and everything hurts if I don't take care of myself, especially with running. So yeah, I've always been pretty active, played a lot of sports. I used to lift a lot in high school, and I've always lifted since then. The last few years, it's just more consistent than others. I kind of fell off the wagon last year. I was kind of focusing more on my mental health, a lot of self-love. Like I said, I did her challenge last year, but the end of last year I met someone, and if you watched my video before the last video I posted, I talked about relationship weight gain. I've gained probably 10 pounds, and I'm actually at my heaviest that I've been, and my heaviest was in 2017 when I very first started her programs, just because I was eating crappy. really late at night, and yeah, and you know, being in a relationship, we were eating out a lot and not being as active as I wanted to. So yeah, I'm doing this so I can try to just get my life back on track, eat and just become a more healthy lifestyle, get back to where I was. I enjoy lifting. I do yoga and stuff, and yoga's great, but like I like to be in the gym. I like to lift. I have tried doing like CrossFit and stuff like that. It's just not for me. I kind of like just doing my own thing, and yeah, and I plan on doing more of her challenges throughout the year, or her programs. I don't want to talk too much, but I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a background of my fitness life. And you know, it's always been food for me, which honestly, not been having a lot of cravings. I've been pretty good with just sticking to what's good for me. I will say, I am dead. Like, my body hurts so bad, and I know it's like this, like, always the first week getting back into the gym, but I can't remember being this sore. And my hips are the worst. Like, my hips feel like they're shredding, and I hate that feeling. Like, I've been doing a lot of stretching. I did not see her post about the warm-ups, and I was warming up, like I was stretching and stuff, but obviously I wasn't doing it long enough or the right way, and there was some days that I didn't. Like, I didn't stretch. I just went into it because I was like trying to get done at a certain time. So I regret that. I am taking Bcaas, and I am taking Epsom salt baths, and I'm stretching like crazy, and stretching does help. My hips are the tightest thing right now. They hurt so bad. I can't like lay flat. I did calves yesterday, and like the other calf machine was being taken, so this one only had like an option for a 20-pound weight, was the lightest, so I did it, and I'm regretting that. My whole body sore, my core sore. The core exercises on day 2 were, I could barely finish them. Literally couldn't raise my legs up. Last night I had a really bad time sleeping because literally every position hurt to lay on. I found like I would find a position for like maybe an hour or 2, and then I would have to move, and then I woke up like with a toothache, and I'm feeling like this. So I'm trying to stay motivated. I have kind of noticed like the first couple of days, and I don't know if it's because I was taking a fat burner, because I was getting kind of weird and like kind of shaky, and maybe I was just like, you know, adjusting to eating better and, you know, whatever. But I just was feeling kind of weird. Last night and today have been okay. I do actually need to meal prep a couple things for work. I'm about to go to work, so I just wanted to kind of give you guys a backstory. And I am so freaking sore, but I'm ready to push through it. I've been pushing through it. Today's a rest day, optional hit day. I'm taking the rest. I thought about just walking on the treadmill or something, but I cannot, like, literally move. It kind of sucks. Like, oh my gosh, I can't remember being this sore. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You will see day 1 coming up. I'm just so excited, and I love the Facebook group. It's amazing to keep me motivated, and I'm so happy to be doing this with you guys. If you guys are seeing this from the Facebook page, hi, welcome. I will be doing some updates throughout the challenge of just how I am doing and keeping myself accountable, because I actually made this video last year, like, for the challenge. I never posted it. I still have some footage from it, but yeah, so I'm sorry I like don't have any makeup on and look like this, but I mean, this is how I usually look. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Hey guys, so ignore how sweaty I am. I'm in the middle of day 1 of my fitness challenge with Lauren Simpson. It's kicking my ass. Not gonna lie, I'm so out of weight. I really am, like, benching less though, and doing things less weight, which is good because I'm not trying to kill myself. But I am so out of shape. You can see me in the mirror here. Literally no one's in the gym right now, and I'm so pumped. So pumped. I have left is the booty bands, So I'm gonna show that a little bit, but I was like, hell yeah, I'm fucking vlogging this. Hopefully you can hear me because I have my AirPods in. It's too cool, right? Check out these cute leggings my boyfriend got me. I have the matching bra on right now too. These are my favorite. They're from Pink, but my boyfriend got me them and he knows how much I love them, so I'm so pumped about that. But yeah, so I'm going to finish up this workout. I'm sweating. My glutes and my ass is on fire. So I'm hoping this one is not too bad. So I just finished set 1 of the booty band superset. I'm dying. It's not awful, but like the 15 amount of reps definitely gets you to the point of wanting to die. Little fun fact, I've always like lifted and stuff since high school, but like that's what I'm good at. Like if it's weight, I can do that. When it's body weight and just like booty bands and stuff, I find that most challenging is like doing stuff with my own body weight. You know, like I could never do pull-ups, nothing like that. I'm sorry, I'm really out of breath. But yeah, I could just like, I can lift and I always would outlift people. But like when it came to like body weight, nope. So I have one more set. And then I'm getting the hell out of here. So, it's kicking my ass. I am so sweaty. I'm so nasty. But we did it. We finished.
Look at how my yoke turned out.
Yeah. You're perfect.
Guess what? Grandma taught me some shit.
I look like a mess.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Okay. So, eggs, good. Like them a lot. I've used eggs before on one of her challenges that had like thyme and stuff in it. It wasn't very good. But now I'm going to make the raspberry smoothie. I don't have raspberries, so I'm just kind of making do with what I have. The store didn't have raspberries. I am eating 2 meals together just because I like to intermittent fast and I'm not a big breakfast eater, and I fasted while I worked out. So putting cranberries in the shake, and I'm using a shake mix that I got from Aldi's. Whey protein, but it's only like $14 at Aldi's if you're on a budget. So yeah, I used that. I put cranberries in it, and I put just like blueberries, strawberries, and pineapple, and I also added spinach because I like to add spinach to my shakes. I know it might not be exactly as the macros are, but I just put a little bit more because I split it with Michael. So I like drinking out of these cups when I don't have a straw, so it's not all just flying out at me. But It wasn't a full thing, it was like halfway. But I'm pretty full right now. I'm not a huge like appetite person, so it works out for me. And the booty bands that you saw were from Amazon, I think. I bought them, I think, before she came out with her own. I may be wrong, or I didn't know about the one she had. I bought it for the first challenge I did probably 2 years ago. It was the booty band challenge, not the booty band, the booty challenge. I really liked that one. I would actually probably like to do another one of those. But sorry, I'm all messed up here. But yeah, like I said, I'm not a huge, like, it's kind of hard for me to eat a lot. So like, it's easier for me to eat bigger portions and not spaced out. A little spaced out, but like I'm just not a breakfast eater really, so I'll wait till 11. Sometimes I'll eat at like 10, but I usually like will eat later and like at lunch. But yeah, so I have some vitamins I'm taking. They're Herbalife ones. I'm just kind of trying to get rid of them because I bought them a while back and seeing if I like them. And there's a fat burner that I have for Herbalife. I don't really know how well it works, but I just didn't want to buy a bunch of new products when I have some. The Bcaas I've been using. After my workout, I like to take Bcaas. I always have, like, even in high school, and I've always liked the Bcaas sports one. I'm sure you see this like at Walmart and stuff. I've just always thought it was a good one. This is Rainbow Ice. It kind of tastes like, I don't know, blue raspberry, but I like it. I've had it for a while, so I'm just trying to use that up as well. But I have noticed a difference with helping with muscle recovery. And then I'm probably going to take an Epsom salt bath later tonight. That really helps with soreness as well. And just, I've been trying to stretch after. I forgot to stretch before my workout, but definitely trying to stretch because I always seem to, I'm just kind of like washing dishes and, you know, doing all the stuff we love to do on our days. So this is my first day of the Lauren Fitness Shred and Shape Challenge. And I'm liking it so far, but like the biggest things with me is inconsistency with the meals. I really suck at meal prepping. And I always want to give up towards like the end. So thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to just do this and take on this year and just become the best version of myself. And I hope that I can help inspire some of you as well. But thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned because I will be having more videos and updates on this challenge. Bye guys.